I'm really happy that I invested in this jacket, Solis. They're very good, and especially the parts when it comes for the air ventilation. It has a huge ventilation in the back for your spine, so that your back is not sweating, and then it has ventilation in the front, to ventilation in your chest, and also in the arms. Also the pants from Solis also. The guards are fantastic, and they don't like stick out or hit your shin, or they don't feel uncomfortable. They're very soft, and also it has good air vents there. The shoes that I have, it's from Orizu. Yeah, I'm not very happy with the shoes. The shoes are tough, they look strong, they feel strong, but sometimes it gets a little bit uncomfortable. Like one part of my shoe on the right hand side, the right leg shoe, it was getting so hard and so tight. And then this is supposed to be a full waterproof shoe, and then I just 2 days back when I was coming through Purvanchal Expressway, there was a huge storm. Then I don't know what happened to the waterproof shoe, because my shoes got wet, and it was like I was totally drenched, you know. So in the range of waterproof, I don't think it's a good option. If you are looking for waterproof shoes, this is definitely not the shoes. And also it gets a little bit hot. If it's hot weather, you feel a bit stuffy in your shoe. There's not enough breathable material in the shoes. So that's that. Everything else, I'm really happy with the tank bag. The front, this bag is really good. It's perfect. I wish I could have a tiny bit, like half an inch bigger, so that I could fit my laptop. I can fit, but it gets a little bit tight, because you see this machine over here, this one, it's my charger. I can charge my laptop from here, and I have a cord over here, 3-pin plug. Over there I put my laptop plug, and then my laptop is charged. Otherwise I have these 2 other USB ports from where I can charge my drone, my GoPro and Insta and phone, everything, which is really awesome. So yeah, I really like this little gadget. It's not that expensive either. Only the part that has to charge your laptop from here, that has the 3-pin charger, that is a bit expensive. Alright, and then I like this one. This is, you can put a GoPro or Insta. This is a good quality material. I had another one with the screws, you know, but that was not good. I don't recommend that anymore, because I used it, it's pathetic. And this one, mobile holder, is good, no complaints. This lights that I put, the fog lights, they're terrible. They're not even working now. I had exactly, or I don't think, similar ones that I got it from Delhi on my previous bike, and it's still working fine. This one I got it from Amazon. I don't know why it's they probably gave me a shit one. And then the jerry cans, oh my god, they came to such a good help, because when you have jerry cans, you don't really have to worry even if you run out of petrol or this and that, because it can hold 5 liters, 10 liters. That's more than enough to take you anywhere. So you can ride with confidence, because sometimes, due to circumstances or whatever the reason may be, you may not be able to have petrol, especially when you're riding in expressways. So jerry cans are very, very useful. And the saddlebags are also good. And then I have a top box in the back. That's fabulous. That's really, really good deal. And I really love that, because you can store all your expensive items like a laptop, drone, your money, everything. You can put it there.